Can't log into the ChatGPT app on your Android phone? Whether it's stuck loading or just won't sign you in, this video will guide you step by step to fix it fast. Watch till the end so you don't miss the most effective solution. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. If needed, switch between them to test which one works better. Next, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it. VPNs can sometimes block ChatGPT's login servers, especially if the app detects unusual location data. Now open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, then find and select ChatGPT from the list. Tap Permissions and make sure network access, storage, and any other required permissions are allowed. This helps the app communicate properly with OpenAI's servers. Go back, then tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your OpenAI account. It just resets the app on your phone. After that, go back to your home screen and long press on the ChatGPT app, then tap Uninstall to remove it completely. Next, open the Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and reinstall the app from scratch. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, tap the subscribe button now so you never miss quick tech fixes like this. Once it's installed, open the ChatGPT app and log in again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the login problem on Android. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.